Hi, I'm Amy Jenkins, and I'm a patient of Dr. Gulani's. I had RK when I was 21 years old, and I saw perfectly until I was 36. At that point, the RK continued to flatten the cornea, and I needed glasses, and it continued to degrade. I tried scleral lenses, which helped for a period of time, but at in my 50s, I got to the point where I couldn't drive at night anymore due to the severe glare, halos, um, and I would see between 6 and 10 images at a time due to the irregularities in my cornea. As I approached 55, I got to the point where it wasn't safe for me to drive during the day. I was using a 32-inch monitor at work, zoomed in to try to see, and by the end of the day, would not even be able to read. I had been following Dr. Gulani for about 10 years as I tried to decide when was the right time to get treatment. I visited multiple surgeons that were more local to where I was at. I had one ophthalmologist and cornea surgeon who had a panic attack when he saw me. I've had multiple surgeons tell me there was no hope and that the only option was a full cornea transplant, and even with that, I may lose my sight. So I decided last January to come visit Dr. Gulani and have a thorough exam. And during that exam, he discovered I not only had the RK issues, but I also had a genetic disease called Fuchs dystrophy that had gone undiagnosed to date. Dr. Gulani evaluated my case. I was close to 11 diopters in one eye. I had one RK incision that was close to rupturing. He created a unique treatment plan to tackle the hardest issues that I had in the worst eye in an attempt to save my natural vision. He didn't sugarcoat my chances. I knew going in what the risks were. We had thorough discussion, deep Q&A, so that I was comfortable with whether I could accept those risks or not, starting with that left eye, which was so severely damaged. He first anchored, tethered, and put stitches in that incision to make sure that it stabilized structurally and tackled that most irregular astigmatism. And then I was already, similar to most RK patients, having early cataract symptoms, but undertook the lensoplastique procedure that he has developed, implementing toric lenses to help with the astigmatism and the vision degradation. And today, after having both eyes treated, I am seeing very well after only 2 days post-op on my right eye. I can now drive again, both day and night driving. I can read again. I haven't had to give up reading books. I was using 30x magnifying glass. I can now resume my life. My husband and I had been working on our retirement plans, and due to the multiple surgeons telling me there was no hope, we had been planning for me to be blind during our retirement, looking at retirement options of, improved mobility, cities for us to live in. Due to Dr. Gulani taking on what others classify as an impossible case, we now have a new lease on life. Our retirement years will be full of sights that we can see together. And he's given me a whole lease on life. And I want others to understand, take your time, do your research, sit down and talk with Dr. Gulani. He's very approachable. He will customize his plan to meet your needs, and do your homework, because he is the best and there's no one else I would trust with my eyes.